sit and tell me I'm pretty while you sip Jameson. Don't make me wanna stick around until the party ends. You've got a bad reputation, so what? I'm into it. I'm into it. You look like I'm gonna have another drink. You look like you know, but don't say anything. That I try to stay away, avoiding all the pain. But you look like you look like I like.
Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Looks like most of my vlogs will be in the car now because I just never leave home on time to like communicate with you guys. Yeah, so since I spend most of my day here, yeah, we'll talk more often from here. Yeah, so I just wanted to check in on you guys. Hope you're doing well, hope you're feeling blessed. It's a new week and it's a new vlog. Let's see what the week has to offer. Yeah, I will catch up with you guys pretty soon. See ya.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. You look like you look like I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it. You look like you look like I like it.
It's such a hot day today. Like the weather is so hot, you guys. I just left the market and I was like, I need something chilled to drink. My face feels a bit oily, like I don't know. Yeah, but I'll be alright. Usually I don't go for cold water, like I take room temperature, but the weather is so hot. Like I even feel like having a shower right now, like a cold shower, to tell you how hot it is. It's so cold. I like going to the market when the car is dirty. So I'm done with the market now. I'm trying to go to the car wash, so I will go wash the car now, and after washing the car I'm going to pick up my daughter from school and organize the stuff that I bought from the market. Usually back in the day, the same day that I go to the market is the same day that I cook, but going to market alone is like enough stress on its own. Yeah, so I just try to do things in a way that it doesn't weigh me down, that I don't feel tired, like extremely tired. Yeah, anyways, hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you pretty soon.
Melting down, you've got a bad reputation, so what? I like the sound. I like how you sound. You look like I'm gonna have another drink. You look like you know, but don't say anything. That I try to stay away.
So you're bringing me this because
Free for our customers.
Free for your customers.
Tuesdays and Fridays.
Oh really? Every Tuesdays and Fridays, and I got lucky today. Okay, I came to buy food. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So what is in here?
Porridge and pussy.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. All right. Free breakfast. Who doesn't like something free? You guys, I just did school errands and I went to get fuel and I got served, and before I did, this lady walked up to me, right? She served me breakfast. I was like, what is this? I said, sorry, I'm not buying, you know, because I mean, usually things like that, you know, you have to pay. And she was like, oh no, it's free for our customers. I was like, huh? So they served kose and porridge, yeah, so which is millet porridge, yeah, and kose is the same thing we call akara in Nigeria. Yeah, that's what Hausas call it. So kose is bean cake. So you grind the beans and you blend it and you fry. Yeah, and it's always nice. It's been so long I had this. Are you kidding? Look. This is really nice. Yeah. But I was actually surprised because I usually don't buy my fuel from there. Not all the time. Yeah, I usually like to go to Shell, but this one is Goil. So in case you're in Ghana, I don't know, maybe it's just the one in my area. Yeah, but yeah, I was just like, I don't want to go far. I mean, I was coming home anyway, let me quickly buy this. And I was like, okay, so I'm getting self breakfast, and I always feel lazy to get my breakfast ready in the morning, because right after drop off, guess what time it is? It's time for me to start doing some editing or tidy up the house, you know, and I always forget myself in terms of food. Okay, yeah, so this came in so handy today. I better make a chop. I sanitize my hand though. What a way to start the morning, huh?
Don't grab my hips like it's me, you ain't gonna leave without. Don't look at me like that, make my whole world come melting down. You've got a bad reputation, so what? I like the sound. I like how you sound. You look like I'm gonna have another drink. You look like you know, but don't say anything. That I try to stay away, avoiding all the pain. But you look like I like it. Yeah, I like it. Oh, I like it. You look like I like it. I like it. I like it. You look like I like it. I'll probably take this too far, and you'll probably break my heart. But that's okay, 'cause when you kiss me, when you kiss me, you look like I'm gone. But don't say anything, that I try to stay away, avoiding any pain. You look like I like it. Yeah, I like it. Oh, I like it. You look like I like it. Oh, I like it. So what? I like it. Oh, yeah, I like it.
Hey guys. Oh boy. Move it. So I'm running late for lunch date with my girls. Yeah, so heading there now. Yeah, so the road is free today and it's a bit cloudy. Yeah. Ooh, smooth.
Can you reciprocate the energy? I don't know if you are feeling me, but for now I don't have time to sit
somebody saying hello. Sakina. Sakina.
I'm very disappointed.
Sakina. Oh, show your face.
Disappointed. I won't do the Ghana passport. Oh yeah, Singapore is visa-free for Ghanaians.
Yeah.
Georgia is visa-free. Oh, sorry. This is the other side. What happened to my name?
Running through my head, the things I wanna say, reflecting on your eyes, what's inside your mind, ooh.